That was on the drop.
So I'm just rigging up. Yaan's just flicked it in.
Dude.
On the drop.
Dude, it's a good fish. Oh, look at the sounder, eh? It's lit. Alright, we are currently, I don't know, a couple hours north of Perth. And the fishing is off tap. Just about to go out again today. Yesterday we got into a couple pinkies, a few dewies, and yeah, we'll see you out there. We'll show you yesterday and we'll show you today. Hopefully get in the water for a dive too.
Good there. So I'm just rigging up. Yaan's just flicked it in. Dude. On the drop.
Dude, that's a good fish. Oh, look at the sounder, eh? It's lit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh. No way. Welcome to WA, baby.
We made it, baby.
No way. I just flicked my bail arm over. I was like, oh man, how am I snagged already? No way. Come closer. Do you want to pop it on my head even, maybe? Dude, it's a do. It's a do. It's a do. It's a
Oh my gosh.
Good, there's a gaff there. We got to go, we got to go. Are you kidding me? Dude! Alright,
Oh
get him in the
my
chin,
God.
get him in the chin. Dude, are you kidding me?
Oh, you kidding? What the fuck?
Dude!
Oh my god! Look at the size! Oh my gosh!
No!
Oh. First drop, what do we got?
Ah!
Are you kidding?
Oh my
Bro.
goodness! Are you kidding me?
That is
Dude!
fucking stoiker.
Oh!
Yaan with his first dewy.
How is that?
First freaking drop too.
On the jig. Little
What jig are we running?
Nomad. 80 or 40 gram actually. Tiny little jig. 14 meters, we just come out, you're like, oh, we'll try and jig some bait or something, and yeah, there we go. I think we can use this thing for bait. How's that? Pinned him right in the nose, on the schnoz.
Good, eh? Good hook up.
Oh, pretty happy with that one, eh?
Let's get some more, brother.
Let's go, bro. Well, we rocked up and there was a few lines sort of like that on the bottom. So, see how we go, eh?
Another solid one?
I don't know. My drag's pretty tight, eh? I'm giving you one of my jigs.
Oh, another. Oh.
Oh, it's a Spango. Little Spango. No way. Far out, the species are just crazy, eh?
Sick colours in it, eh?
That would have been beautiful eating size, eh? There he goes. The anticipation, eh? Feels Spango-y. Oh, no way. I've never caught one of these before.
Goaty.
No way, a black spot. We get these all the time at home. That is so sick. I've never caught a goaty.
Really?
Ever.
Yeah, I hooked him.
Keep that for bait. I'll use that whole thing. I'll use that hole. So apparently over here these things go really well. So I'm gonna try just leave one of these in the rod holder. And apparently they love the old wrasse. So I've been told. Alright, let's flick that out. What a freaking arvo, eh? We're on to another one. Drones in the air.
Oh, there we go. Got collar on it now. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, good job. Oh, it's a big snapper. It's a huge snapper. Oh. It's a huge snapper. No way. No way. That's one of the biggest snapper ever. Oh my god. No way. No freaking way. Oh, what does that look like on the drone?
Looks pretty sick.
Dude, welcome to WA. No
That's
way.
sick.
Dude, how's that for a ready? No way. No freaking way.
Filming, eh?
Dude, that's a solid.
Get a handle, you are.
Dude, that's a freaking snapper. Dude, that is a freaking horse. What? That is a freaking snapper. We'll get a quick measure of him too, but we'll send him back for sure. Oh my gosh, the snapper queen isn't here, so I had to do it. Oh, he must have been on the sand. He's so white. He would have been just sitting there. That is a snapper. 84 centimeters. Just a touch under 85. Holy girth, look at that. Oh, yes! That's it, that's it. No way. Alright, let's send this guy back. Up him. Oh, yes, bro. We got a bit on here, eh?
What's going on?
There's a bit going on. No way. We'll just breathe this guy up whilst Ty's
I think it's not a snapper, it's got the head shake.
yeah. Dude. No, don't turn it up too much. That's good, yeah. That's it. Alright, here he goes, Go, bro. There he goes. There he goes. No way.
Oh, come on, swim off.
Yeah. He's struggling a little. He'll
Nice
get it. Yeah,
snap.
it's another snapper.
Woo!
That's a sick
Solid one too.
Yeah.
Not as big as yours.
Oh, that's a beautiful snapper, eh? Wait, we might have to go over and grab mine.
Yeah, go over.
We'll get him away. I just have to properly swim by that because he's good. I just have to get some air out of him. Where's that knife? You just pop a little hole in their air bladder like that if they don't swim. And then watch him go. His tires are. Alright. He'll swim this time. He's strong. There he goes. There he goes.
Grab on.
There he goes. There he swims. Dude, look at that snapper. Yeah, he's good now. What? No way. No freaking way, dude.
You!
That's your freaking, that's one of your best fish you've caught, eh?
Yeah.
No way.
For sure.
Alright, I'll get a few photos. Yeah, that one's gone. Perfect. Hold him up to the camera.
But
that is a good snapper bite.
Good.
Any day of the week. Pop him on the mat. See how long he is.
I reckon 70.
Yeah, he's a good snapper. 65, I reckon.
65, yeah.
Yeah. What a fish. Yep. How's the G off?
Oh, West G
Oh,
off.
if that was home,
Keep it all day.
that would be the like pinnacle of snapper at home. All right, let me get a few clicks for you. Oh, straight down.
Perfect.
Yeah. Oh, we'll keep an eye on him. Looks like he's down. Yeah. That's so sick. That is so sick. We're fishing blind with no sounder, and Ty boy is bending.
Blue Sunny's out too.
Are you sure? What is it?
Mango? Oh, amber. Oh, not. What's
What is that? What the heck? It looks like almost like a jobfish. what the heck? That looks like a jobfish and a pufferfish. Oh, perfect release. Show us your sunnies.
What the heck was that?
That was so funny. There we go. Dude, we're just no sounder, getting smoked. Absolutely bending session. That is so sick.
Oh, snap, you reckon?
I don't know what it is. Doesn't
Got head shakes?
little. Got, I don't know, it feels like it's running a bit too hard. Like kind of like fast maybe, like sort of, I don't know.
That's another one.
Got pretty good drag on it too.
There we go.
So nice fishing these little light jigging setups. Getting bent. Alright, no more mucking around, let's get this thing in. Whoa, it's a decent fish, eh?
I reckon not a snap, eh?
Oh, starting to get colour, looks like a snapper. It's a snapper. It's a little snapper.
Nice.
No way. That is insane, dude. That is insane, dude.
It's another good one, eh?
Dude, that is so insane. That is so insane. Oh my god. That's a freaking another horse. That'd be in between our sizes, eh?
Yeah, I reckon that's 74.
Yeah. Holy crap.
You want to get it out or you just want to?
Yeah, I'll just get another photo with him and send him back for sure. We got him up pretty slow, so he should swim pretty good. Check out the serenity.
That's like a cracker, eh?
Dude, like it just feels weird being
You
here.
got that at home, you'd be freaking going in, eh?
Yeah, you're like, you wouldn't fish for another month. Still got some kick in him, eh? Oh, there he goes.
There you go.
Perfect release. That's what you want, but how is that? Time to head in. We just had probably one of the I don't know if it gets any better than that. Friggin'
That was unreal.
three good reds, or pinkies they call them over here, but for us they're red and they're a good one for us East Coasters. And a dew, and what else? I got a little spango, and that's it. Cracker. Just here in the middle of the ocean on a little 4.2 metre tinny. Doesn't get much better. Let's freaking go. This is what it's all about. Just living the dream. Living the absolute dream. What have you been using that for up in your tent, buddy? Friggin' a bit of lube.
Oh, it's just linen spray.
Oh, that's what they say. Disguised in a linen spray bottle. Oh,
Caught out.
just Don't get any of this at IMA. That is a crazy dew. What a setup. I've definitely filleted fish in worse locations.
Oh, I'm gonna get ours, you know.
If you smell a dew, it smells exactly like a mulloway. Time to give some fish away. Turns out the people that we're just staying next to, they really lovely couple. They actually lost their son out one of these islands, and yeah, it was a pretty crazy story. They were fishing for I don't know, they were just fishing, launched out here, and there's like so many islands and reefs out here. Like, it's different home. You go out about probably 10 k's and it's all like 5-6 meters deep, and then it just starts dropping off. Yeah, and then all those reefs, outer reefs and stuff, and it breaks, and yeah, they actually lost their son, which is so sad. But yeah, we promised them that we'll be very safe tomorrow, and yeah, they said they were looking out for us, so that was good. Anyways, they appreciate some fish, and yeah, just a little bit of a reminder, got to be so careful out there. Yeah, always, you know, assess the situation, the swell, the wind, be careful, make sure you come home nice and safe. So yeah, this is one of their sons here. Poor bloke, Sean Coffey, sad. Apparently a freak wave, king wave came. Where are we gonna put this fish? There we go, with the beers. That's the important one. What's on the menu tonight, Chef Ty?
Got burgers, bacon, onion, cheese,
Oh,
and a little side salad if you want. You can either put it on your burger or just have it on the side.
whoa. Oh, freaking,
Yay.
how good's camping, eh?
But yeah,
What a setup.
should be eating good.
How is that for a setup? Couple burgers. Eating good. For two blokes on the road, we're eating good.
Eating good, that's
Eating
for sure.
bloody good.